To draw a horizontal fill, select the horizontal fill object from the drawing menu. Set the insert point with the first click, and by moving in different directions, we can take advantage of the intersection points supplied by other entities. We can also proceed by inserting additional nodes that make up the surface of the filling object and then set the last point. The command is still active, so let's continue with the positioning of the other fill object too. If we select a section, we can customize the fill object using the appropriate options such as insert or deleting nodes, or by converting straight sections into arcs. In the Properties pane, we can then modify the geometric characteristics and define the height reference system.